Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And so today I am going to share my skincare routine with all of you. So my father is associated with a company known as IMC, and they have skincare products, they have medicinal product, they have agricultural product, home care product, and lots more. So I am using this product like for a year now, and I have got good result. As you can see, I don't have any scar or any acne on my face or my skin. So yeah, it is very good for my skin, and I hope it will also help you guys. If you want to try, you can try. Like it's the basic product of this, all the products are basic thing is it's made up with aloe vera. Like all the products are made with aloe vera, and today I'm going to use this face scrub. I have already cleaned my face with cleanser. Now I'm going to use this scrub, and I will scrub my face for about 10 minutes, and then it's very light on screen, not too harsh that it doesn't means it doesn't affect on your skin. Like if you have any sensitive skin, so it is very good for your skin also. Like it is not too harsh to your skin, but it really cleans your skin and makes it soft and very fresh. So let's start. I will use this scrub on my face. So only a little amount of is needed for your face. Like this is enough for my face, and it is enriched with aloe vera, almond, haldi and neem, which is great for our skin. So yeah, first I am going to apply this on my face, and all over the neck, and then I will scrub it. On my nose, cheeks, chin. So after it is spreaded all over my face, I will add few drops of water. I have and apply it. Then I will add some few drops of water. So very properly and with circular motion we have to scrub our face. I'm also scrubbing my lips. my T-zone is very oily and I sweat a lot in my T-zone, so I'm scrubbing my nose properly so that every dirt and oil should cleanse off. So yeah, I'm focusing here like a little bit more. So after scrubbing my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to clean it up. So here I have taken a handkerchief and soaked it in warm water, and I'm going to clean this with this warm handkerchief. It will also help to open the pore of our skin. So after cleaning my face with the scrub, I will use this IMC herbal face pack. So yeah, this is also a aloe vera based product, and it is rich with aloe vera, rose and chandan. So yeah, I'm going to use this scrub all over my face, and we only need little amount of it for our face. So this much I will use on my face. These are very thick and very smooth paste, very easy to spread all over the face. So I have applied it all over my face and neck, and I will leave this for until it becomes dry, and then I will rub it off with warm water. Then I will show what I use next in my skincare routine. So yeah, let it dry. So until it becomes dry, I will enjoy my lemon water. So in this summer it's very refreshing and also gives energy to us. So yeah, see you after few minutes. So as you can see, it has completely dried. So yeah, it's not transferring. Now it's time to wash it off, and you can instantly see the softness and that glow in your face after using this. So after cleaning your face properly with wet towel, or you can also rinse it off with water. So as I'm making this video, I can't go up and rinse it, so I am properly cleaning with wet towel repeatedly, so no residue of any product is left in my skin. as you can see, the glow and softness over my skin, I really love it. Like, it really makes my skin soft and very smooth, and it feels so refreshing after using this product. So now it's time for the applying some aloe vera gel. So this is a magical product. I love it a lot, like for my skin or any other uses, like for dandruff or for any cut in your skin, or like everywhere you can apply this gel and it works like magic. And here, so I will use this, and obviously a little amount of is required for your whole face. So this much I will use all over my face, like a gentle application with my fingers. Really very refreshing, and it smells so nice. So yeah, after it soaks into the skin, I will apply this rose water, and this is another magical product. I am in love with this product. Trust me, this is the best rose water I have ever used. So yeah, and this package, like it takes me a month or 10 days to finish it off, and it's really very easy to use. Like it is a spray bottle, as you can see. This is the first cap, then this is another cap, and then you can spray this into the skin. Like, it's so good, like it really works for me the best. So yeah, after applying this rose water, I will leave it to a little bit, like, to dry it off. See, I just love this. I don't know how much my camera is catching this. So yeah, like I can feel my skin is so cleaned and fresh, and like it's so refreshing. After this completely dries, I use this aloe fairness. So yeah, it's almost finished, so it is not coming out easily. So this much I will apply it on my skin. This was my skincare routine for all of you guys. A little skincare routine. It doesn't take a lot of time, and all the products are easily available and also very good for your skin. So yeah, at least it works for my skin very well, as you can already see. So yeah, see you on my next one. Bye.